Hello again. These days, we spend lots of time at home. Some people love to do gardening, but I love to do cooking. So tonight, I want to share one of my favorite dish. I guess everybody loves the Chinese Kung Pao chicken. Kung Pao chicken is very easy to make. All you have to take a piece of the chicken breast, okay? Look at what I did here. I chop into little pieces, okay? Then we take one piece of the chicken breast here and we cut nicely, okay? Very nicely. And we chop into little pieces here. Little pieces. Okay? Just as simple as that. It's very easy, okay? Just chop them into the pieces. Now you got all the chopped chicken breasts in the pot, exactly like this. Chinese food always love have some soy sauce. Okay, so some soy sauce right here. Okay, some pepper. Okay, nice pepper. Okay, and guess what? Get some wine, some kind of wine here. You know, yeah, nice wine here. And you know what? Get a little bit oil. Believe it or not, a little bit oil here. Then what you need is some cornstarch. Just get some cornstarch here. Look, right here. Okay. Then what you do is, then you do this way. Very easy, okay? Then you just let your chicken meat just sit for a while. Let's say 10-15 minutes. Now it has been about around 15 minutes now. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is the Ellis' secret. Remember, when you do the stir fry on the meat, especially do a Kung Pao chicken, you need to make sure the chicken meat has to be as dry as possible. Otherwise, there will be too much juice in the pot. How do you do that? Very simple. You get a bunch of a paper towel here, okay? You kind of roll the paper towel like that, and you get a second paper towel here. Stand by. What you do is you take the meat right on the top of the paper towel. Now, this is Ellis' secret. Top secret is right here, okay? Look, top secret is right here, okay? And after that, what you do is you put the paper right on the top, right on the top. Make sure soak as much juice out as possible. Otherwise, when you do the Kung Pao chicken, when you stir fry it, it will have lots of juice come out, okay? So you let it sit a little bit, okay? You let it sit a little bit, okay? Dry it up as much as you can, okay? Then take the paperwork out. Look at it here. Now is much less juice. Let's put it back again into the pot, okay? There's one ingredient is very important for the Kung Pao chicken, which is green onion. So you see, I already cut some of those guys, the green onion. I need all of them, all of the green onion, okay, to make sure that's a necessity for a beautiful, delicious Kung Pao chicken, okay? Now, we are really ready now. Now we're ready to cook. You have to pay a lot of attention to this because it goes very fast, okay? Number one, we have to put some oil in it, okay? And we make sure the oil heats up. In the meantime, why is the Kung Pao chicken so famous? Because it's spicy. So what we do is we put a lot of dry pepper. Look, a lot of dry pepper. A lot of dry pepper here. Okay? You see that? Okay, take a close shot of this. Lots of dry pepper here. Lots of dry pepper here. Okay? It may scare you a little bit, but that's the way it will be, okay? We'll talk about how we're going to take care of this later. Lots of dry pepper here, okay? You want to make sure the oil to go through dry pepper to make sure the oil is become spicy oil. Okay, so the dry pepper's purpose, that's why I didn't open up dry pepper. I just put a whole pot of the dry pepper, whole dry pepper in it. The rest, this is going to be super hot. This dish, okay? That much hot pepper in it. Basically, when you taste it, if you love the spicy food, it's going to blow your head away, okay? That's how spicy it will be. Now, the hot pepper almost done, turn the color. I'm going to pour the chicken into it very quickly. Here we go, guys. very quickly. Chicken mixed with a hot pepper. That's the tricky part, okay? Chicken mixed with hot pepper right here, okay? Look how quickly the chicken is going to turn. You don't overcook the chicken, so the chicken has to be as tender as possible, guys. As tender as possible. So you have to stir. What's called stir fry, you just keep stirring, okay? Look, just keep stirring. And the chicken, you can see it, the chicken color start changing very quickly, okay? Very, very quickly. So just a few more seconds, the chicken is sort of cooked. So we believe that's still not hot enough. So I also bring out hot, it's called the chili sauce, the Chinese chili sauce. So here's one go to. Look at a spoon, okay? Holy moly, 1, 2. Now it's really good, going to blow your head away, okay? So when that was in, we just stir fry even more here, okay? To make sure it looks absolutely gorgeous here. Look at it now, the dish is turned to red because the chili sauce I put in, okay? The chili sauce I put in. Now, since I put too much spicy stuff in it, I have to put in a little bit sugar, just in case it's too much. So make sure, just a little bit sugar in it, okay? It's just a little bit sugar. Just a little bit sugar, guys, okay? After that, you have to have some green onion, guys, okay? So I have a bunch of the green onion to this. And stir it again. Stir it again. And that's it. Look. This is what we call kung pao chicken. Let me taste it, okay? Let me lick this one first. Spicy. Delicious, okay? That's it. Chicken is super tender. Okay, super tender. Just we call it kung pao chicken. Let me put a kung pao chicken to the pot, to the plate right here. Now, sometimes people put peanuts in it. So today I didn't put any peanuts in because somebody is could be allergic to peanuts. So for those people allergic to peanuts, don't do it. Otherwise, you just do exactly this. Then after that, put some more green onion on it. Now, last piece of advice: when you eat this kung pao chicken, please do not eat this hot pepper. This hot pepper for the flavor, if you have a bite on this hot pepper, it's going to destroy your meal, okay? So please do not do that, okay? Just eat the chicken meat and you will really enjoy it. This is the best kung pao chicken you will ever have. Thank you guys. See you next time.